Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Hold on. So we're gonna go on Movie Star Planet today. I know I promised to go on Fortnite, but there's like this issue happening with Fortnite right now. Well, not for them, for me, because like it's a whole nother story. So we're gonna do an experiment today. Well, I don't think it's going to go. Never mind. I don't have my thoughts right. Um, the other day we had a trade system. Hold on, let me show you guys. This is my outfit for today. So to find any art books or anything, you probably guys know where it is, but I'll just show you anyways. You just go on the profile, and it's supposed to be right here. My friend is having a pretend wedding, so I need to edit that. If you guys want to join in one of my movies that I'm going to be doing soon, go ahead. It's going to be pretty fun and cool. This is annoying. This is really annoying. Don't know why it's doing this. It's been doing that like for 2 days now. Okay. We subscribe if you're already not subscribed and stuff like that. And share the video if you want. Sorry about that. I don't know. I know why I logged out. I was on my phone on Movie Star Planet. I'll be speeding this up so you guys don't have to wait and stuff. And I'm not one of those people that types. I don't like typing. I'm not a typing person. So let's hold on. We're just going. Oh yeah, and comment down below what you want to see and what you want to do, like what you want me to do on here. And this person right here, don't date him. Right here, YOLO. It's me, X3. He's a cheater, and he's really mean. Who is that? Nuh-uh. She is so dust. Not her. This girl. Her. Like, for real. Okay, guys. Um, so if you guys subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you want to do. The challenge of the day, that I'm starting this new thing that I'm doing, a challenge and stuff. The challenge of the day is to give this video to 50 likes. Just because I'm like a little small community. And like, I'm not as big as people. Because I'm never like, I'm like amazing and stuff. So, let's get started. Oh my gosh, I almost choked. Okay, so I'm gonna be speeding this video up anyways, so you're gonna probably hear the lyrics of this. So, no, 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 no. Oh yeah, you guys should watch the movie Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia. looking like a hero story. One more looking. Okay, I'm just like, so you guys can hear it. I'm not gonna be speaking.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in.
Just saying, I'm going to be doing that typing thing that people do. Oh yeah, that's like for school and stuff. Then I don't really know what to do. Well, I'll put this on low. So we're just gonna play a game, and while you listen to music, we're playing dress up. Okay, bye. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment, like.
Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Now I'm going to be playing 1,000 years. Just so you know, I'm sorry I talked.
AccuView contact lenses, plus a clear vision of my
Not
goals,
this.
plus hard work and perfect timing. That's how I turn an opportunity into a victory.
AccuView is the lens that changes
I'm
everything.
not trying.
Get started with free contacts today. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000. Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away. Standing in front of me, every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 All along, I believed I would find you. Time has brought heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 One step closer. One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000